What's up, everyone? So I'm on 175 plus, maybe a little more than that, milligrams MDMA, and then I took some really old mushroom powder, for 2 grams. But it's really old, so it's not that potent. But when I close my eyes, I see DMT visuals, boxes, like weird things on it, people with like it's almost like everything is a like a like an ad at a store, like a tag, like to buy something. And it's like everything is like an advertisement. It seems like, and it's just like squares, kind of like floating around. Weird symbols. I see a girl throwing dice. And all the dice pieces are like foreign things on them. And now I'm seeing this girl with like 2 other people, like a family or something, sitting in what looks like a cart. And there's like everything is like an ad, like a if you were to see a commercial for something, everything looks like a commercial. Now I'm just saying, like, a wall of, like, it looks like blotter paper, but it's cats with like a paw up, as if it's waving. It looks like blotter paper of that. But it's turning into just colors and 3-dimensional shapes. And it's like I'm seeing a box like opened up. It's like there's another box inside of it, type of thing that opens up from like the lid of it, and there's just like compartments and yeah. I was even seeing DC, like DC shoes, but then it turned into different logo brands, things that seem like from Japan or China or something. And I'm just seeing like things going through a store as if they're being purchased. Bottles of something. Looks like Chinese. Like a goddess type woman throwing down like pink carpet stuff all over grounds, walls, ceiling. Or she like backs up. I'm just seeing lots of floor mats as if they're being sold. Everything is like it's for sale, not just but everything I've seen so far. I'm seeing shoes, sandals, hanging on a thing, and I think that's all I should do for today.